Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to check or track the amounts of calories burned on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the power button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the tiles menu. And you can scroll through the tiles by swiping left and right. Now, find the Samsung Health tile. By default, it's the first one after the watch face. And as you can see here, we have the amounts of calories burned during the day. You can also tap on this tile to open more detailed information. And you can also check the total burned calories right here. Once you're done, you can also check it from different points. So you can also open the Samsung Health application on your watch. So if you're on the watch face, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Oh, my bad. Up, like this. After you open the menu, you should see the Samsung Health icon. Tap on it. And here we have the daily activity. You can tap on it to check the burned calories. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the amounts, or rather amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.